Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Dr. Source's classes. Today I am solving GRE examinations, that means graduate record examination, recent past paper solution. If you want to take classes from our side or need to take doubt clearing session or want previous year question solution or mock test or study material, any of them, please don't hesitate, please call and WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Soros himself reply to your query in WhatsApp. So already all you all know that Dr. Soros's class is the best coaching institution for preparing GRE entrance examination. So if you want to take admission in Dr. Soros's classes, so don't hesitate. So this is the best time to take admission in Dr. Soros's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Soros there. So let's start with question number 9. What will we just say? This instruction will be same for all question from 9. For this question, select one answer choice unless instructions state otherwise. If x plus 3 whole square equals to 25, what will be the value of x? So x plus 3 whole square equals to 25. That means x plus 3. That means square rooting 25. That means plus minus 5. Yes or no? So first equation is x plus 3 equals to plus 5, and next equation is x plus 3 minus 5. So what will be the result here? X equals to 5 minus 3, that means 2, and x equals to minus 5 minus 3, that means 8. So what will be the correct answer here? Minus 2 is not in the option, minus 8 will be there. So option A will be the correct answer here. Okay, so that's all for today. To know more such tricks, share this video to your friends and your family and stay connected with us. To get notification of all our video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. We'll meet you next session soon. Thank you.